Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a sound comparison between the two popular portable speakers from JBL, the Go 3 and the Go 4. These compact speakers are designed for on-the-go music lovers who want to experience quality sound wherever they go. Both models have become fan favorites, but which one will come out on the top when it comes to sound? Let's find out. In the left we have the JBL Go 3 and in the right it's the JBL Go 4. Okay, so both speakers are at max volume. At the end of the video we'll make some conclusions. Let's find out which sounds better and which sounds louder. First we'll test the JBL Go 3 at max volume. Let's start the test.
Let me show you, look. Outside world is so cold, falling apart, it's all that we know. And who would be so bold, making this art with a dwindling soul? There's an error in the code, let me show you, look.
Okay, now let's listen to the JBL Go 4 at max volume.
Let me show you, look. me show you, let me show you. Look.
Okay, so first up, let's take a closer look at the JBL Go 3. I mean, this compact speaker may be small in size, but it definitely packs a punch when it comes to sound. It features a 1.5-inch full-range driver that delivers crisp heights and balanced mids, making it perfect for listening to your favorite tunes. The bass is surprisingly impressive for its size, providing a decent amount of depth and punch. Plus, with the JBL signature sound, you can expect a rich and immersive listening experience. Okay, now let's move on to the JBL Go 4. I mean, this model is slightly bigger than the JBL Go 3, but still maintains its compact and portable design. It boasts a 1.75-inch full-range driver, which is slightly larger than the Go 3, resulting in a slightly fuller sound. The heights are clear, the mids are well defined, but what stands out with the Go 4 is its improved bass response. It delivers a deeper and more robust bass compared to the Go 3, making it great for genres like hip-hop or EDM. In conclusion, in terms of sound quality, both speakers are impressive for their size and price point. However, the JBL Go 4 does have a slightly edge in terms of overall sound. The slightly larger driver and improved bass response give it a more well-rounded sound compared to the JBL Go 3. That being said, the Go 3 still holds its own and provides a solid listening experience. Overall, both the JBL Go 3 and Go 4 are fantastic portable speakers that delivers impressive sound for their size. While the Go 4 may have a slight advantage in terms of sound and battery life, the Go 3 is still a solid option for those on a budget. So, which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.